how to develop a FAQ for your business using WriteSonic. In order to do that, click on this blog right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here this. So scroll to the bottom until you can see this FAQs. Click on this right here. And then for this one, you can put in here some context. Like for example, let's put in here this. Printing business FAQs. Now click on next. And then you can put in here common concern, like for example, pricing, usage, tech support, refund. And you can also add some more that is actually not suggested. Click on next right here. And then once you have done that, you can see this printing services. So this one is actually tailored to what you have inputted on the first two right here. So for this one, what specific printing businesses does your business offer? I offer right here specialty printing, offset, as well as digital. Now click on next right here and it will put in here customer pain points, like for example, file format, color accuracy, turnaround, and shipping. Now click on generate right here and then this will generate an FAQ for you. So just wait for this right here because it will take some time. Now as you can see, we have in here our FAQs and we also have in here these links that you can actually insert some links into. We have in here a question and we have in here an answer. So you can head over and then copy it and then edit it out if some things are actually not right. So that's how you develop an FAQ for your business using WriteSonic. Hope we help.